Open house Sat 9 to 13, 11 to 2 p.m. Welcome to Sun City Shadow Hills, where location, amenities, and beauty awaits the 55-plus active community. This ever-popular San Rafael floor plan is wonderfully designed with maximizing the space and layout to fit anyone's needs. The bonus of a 3-car garage is truly a value. The backyard is beautifully landscaped and allows for complete privacy. Newly painted interiorly and exteriorly gives a fresh touch. The new HVAC installed recently allows for up-to-date efficiency. The well-maintained kitchen cabinetry, countertops, and stainless appliances are obvious in the pride of ownership and care. Don't miss this 3/bedroom 2.5/bath, plus den at this great value. Owner is full-time, yet easy to show. Call for showing.